Got our ClimaPod here. It's the 9x14 6mm Virtue. As you can see, it's doing really well. We've got a variety of things here this year. We got the watering system. We got a few cold days, but when it gets really warm, this automatic opener just opens up the window. Usually it starts opening at around 75-80 degrees, which is perfect, because we don't want to get it overheated. And then you also got an option for a manual opener, and you can open it wider if you want to get a little more air inside. But overall, gosh, this is amazing. Hey, and some trees.